Hi everyone. Okay, sorry. Stop drinking. Okay, Spellbinders came in. I want to see what it has. Oh, okay. So, oh goodness, I love this kit so much. Okay, let's go. So, small die of the month. So cute. This is so cute, and that's what it, let me see if you can see what it looks like. Let me take it out. So I have two unboxings in this video. But okay, so these come out. These are really teeny tiny. I didn't realize how teeny tiny they were. Look at how thin they are. And they're so small. Look at that. Oh, this is so much fun. I thought they were bigger than that, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and that's a little sample. Oh, I gotta sneeze. These are the little flowers that go inside if you want. Oh, I love that. Okay. This is the one I was excited about. Large die of the month. These are big old letters. Numbers. Not letters. Numbers. And they are amazing. They are so amazing. And all the DT samples, awesome. Awesome. You have to go to Spellbinders DT members and look at all their stuff. Now this is Amazing Paper Grace die of the month. She just has beautiful stuff. She really does. Just love all of this. Do you guys hear the airplane? Okay, let's get to the card kit. I wanted to see what this one is. So this is, we get a die in this one too. Now I pay $85 for all of, that's what you get in there. For all of small die, large die, Amazing Paper Grace, and the card kit. And it's $85 shipped. Worth it. Love it. Standard tapes, pop dots, 10 cards, 10 envelopes, sequins, and you get 9 colors, cardstock colors, right? 3, 4, 5, this is white, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9 cardstocks. Love that. And let me take it out. Let's see. And oh, look at these frames. Chipboard frames. I love chipboard frames. Yeah, I love them. You can do so much with frames. That is so cute. Look at that. Dory's playing with her toy. So you get gold, and then you get black. It's her bark box, and it's a burrito. It's cute. Okay, and then you get a stamp set. Sending you love. This was February's kit. Right, it tells you this is let your heart soar. Let your heart soar. Oh, I love these kind of stickers. These stickers are awesome. I love them. Oh, and you get little puffy ones, little puffy stickers. I love that. Love, love. Ooh, and butterflies. They're 3-dimensional too. Ooh, very nice. Love that. And then let's go with the paper. Let's see what we get. Pretty. Butterflies, purple, white, birds. See, and if you don't have a favorite, if one doesn't really like, you're like, use it as a background. You know, put a thin strip around it. As long as you're using it. It doesn't hurt anything. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's use this. Because this is my favorite too. Oh, look at, we get little tags. I love tags. And then remember Yana Makula? She does all of them. She shows you every single one laid out on her video. So I'm just gonna do a little. Here, let me scoot you in a little bit. I'll just do a flip through. It's just gonna be like, because there's so much, you guys. We would be here for a long time, and we don't want to do that. Follow your, oh, look at these. Beautiful. To take flight and let your heart soar. One of a kind. I love that. Laugh out loud. You are loved. I love these little fairy girls. So cute. And the airplane, potted plants, beautiful day, I heart you, believe you can. The birds with envelopes. You guys seriously should get this kit if you don't already, because it's just amazing. I just love this company. I love all their stuff they come out with every month. Just as you are, share the magic, hello sunshine, happy. Then you have butterflies. Try and pull them off, but delicately. Look at the hot air balloon. It's like Madame Leota right there. If you, because it's, let me see. You gonna focus. There it is. It's like Madame Leota. Like a little face in the in the balloon. Dreams, free spirit, happiness, best ever, amazing. Oh, I just love this kit. Best friends, thankful for you. Hello. Oh, look at these tags. Love these tags. Oh, beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for Spellbinders. Now, okay, so I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I love embellishment clusters. So I joined this kit and this kit club. It's called Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. This is a DT box. It's a little bit on the pricey side. It's a little less than $50. It's like 48 and change. But this is right up my alley because basically she gets all this stuff from AliExpress, like China. But when you don't want to buy a ton of it, let me scooch you out. When you don't want to buy a ton of it and you just want samples of stuff, I think this is perfect. And so that's why I went ahead and signed up. But if I find I don't really care for it, then I'll stop. But right now, I wanted, this is my first one, so I wanted to see what we get. Okay. And the winner is, congratulations, Patty. Oh, so if you share your stuff, you could win a kit. Oh, that'd be cool. I love that. I would totally do that. Okay, so this, let's see what we get. This is all about embellishments. So I don't know, but the first box I ever saw was on YouTube, and it was amazing. But this is like the fourth one in, and I don't know, and there's like no sneak peeks or anything, so I don't know what's in it. What is that? This is, I don't know what this is. What is it? It is, I don't know. We'll have to look. We'll have to keep looking. I don't know. Okay. What do you guys think it is? I don't know what it is. It doesn't tell you, but maybe this does. Oh, and it has, maybe it's a little drill because it has little needles in it and stuff. So maybe everything's in Chinese. Oh, okay, so, I don't know. What do you guys think that is? My husband has to be home because I am totally not able to know what that is. But it looks cool. Okay, so this is what I loved. I love little embellishments for my project life and my cards. So this is why I decided, let me hold this off for a minute. This is why I decided to go for it. And so I order a lot from AliExpress. I order stuff like this because the companies like, you know, Cocoa Daisy, they order the same thing. This isn't anybody's design. This is from China. So I don't mind getting stuff like that from there. I don't get knockoffs. I don't get any of that kind of stuff. These are the little, oh sorry, I was looking eye it. These are little eye screws, ice screws. you can put into your embellishments. So here's some sequins. They're little bunnies. So this is the theme of this one, is bunnies. And then sequins. White bunnies. These are just like they don't look like a design, they just look like snow. And then it's silver. So you got this. So you got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 6 of these, which I love. And then you get these embellishments. So let me move this out of the way a little bit. That way we can see. My Project Life stuff is taped down, so I don't even bother. I don't bother moving it because it's taped down. Okay. Look at this. So, yeah, this is right up my alley. This really is, because I love embellishments. I love embellishments. It's my zen, and it's just, I like samples of everything and not a gazillion. Like, do I really need 100 cameras? No. So this is like perfect right here. So it's basically an embellishment kit each month, and that's cool. So and then each month you get a coupon. You have to be a member so that you'll see that coupon code, but you won't be able to use it unless you're a kit subscriber. And so I'll be buying more stuff. Look how cute that is. Little bunnies, little bunny charms. Oh, fun, huh? Look at little pink tails and stuff. The little paws and the bunnies. Super cute. Oh, what are these? Oh. I think these are bunny ears. Are these bunny ears? Oh my gosh. Look at this. How cute is that? Different color. Yeah, little bunny ears. I think you can use them either way. I think. But, yeah. Not a pro at this stuff. Super cute. Love that. So cool. Okay, I love that. I in fact got a container just to put this stuff in because it's once a month. Oop, you get billed on the 15th and it ships out a few days later. Oh, look at how cute these are. They're supposed to be little carrots. They're little like carrots, but they're different colored carrots, I think. Did you see the carrots? I see carrots. Oop, oop. How cute are those? Oh, you guys, this is awesome. If you join, make sure you message and let her know that you joined because you watched my channel. I don't know if we get anything, but that'd be cool if we did. It's up to you. Awesome. Love that. Okay. Oh, so fun. Yeah, I can handle getting this every month. This is fun. Oh gosh, look at this. Because remember I canceled Cocoa Daisy. That was $83 or $87 a month. And then Citrus Twist canceled. They're no longer doing kit clubs. I no longer get Kelly Perky. So I lost a lot of things. So might as well get something that gives me an enjoyment. And so I joined this one. But go on YouTube and then type in that name and you'll see what I mean. Craft Purge Scrap Diva 29. They showed their boxes and that's what made me fall in love with them. Those boxes were amazing too. I wish we could have got those. And then she has little mini boxes each month. Yeah, I wish I was able to. This is my first time, so now on the February I'll know to go there and go buy stuff. So looking forward to that. Yeah, and bows. I love bows. You guys know if you watch my Project Life videos that bows are life. I've used them for all these years and I will continue to. And these are awesome. They're just, these are all little resin pieces. Oh, I love this. Okay. Yes, 50 bucks, I will tell you guys, is a little spendy. It really is. But I think it's worth it. Yeah, so we'll see a little bit longer, and we'll get more of a feel too. Let me get a couple more boxes under my belt, and let's see what happens. Because, you know, like you said, you can get all these things for like $2 on AliExpress. So is it worth it to just to order yourself, or is this going to be worth it like this? So we'll see. But I want a couple more boxes to totally, you know, see where I want to go with it. All right, guys, take care, and I will talk to you all next month. Bye.